is North, a beautiful fine dining restaurant right here in the heart of 𝑫𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈. It's a busy area but as soon as you come into the gates of this restaurant, then you are in a very tranquil and peaceful atmosphere. The cuisine here is a beautiful symphony of traditional Lanna recipes as well as contemporary cooking techniques. By the way, Lanna is an area in northern Thailand. It used to be a separate kingdom actually, and the Lanna people are known for using fresh ingredients and a unique blend of spices and flavors in their cooking. If you would like to experience truly fantastic fusion gastronomy, then this would be the place to do it. I also think that this is a wonderful place to impress your business clients or even that special person in your life. This North restaurant is actually a beautifully restored villa which is almost 100 years old. And this beautiful colonial villa has been restored to reflect the Lanna heritage, but with a modern interpretation. So far I've only been served bread, butter, a cocktail and water, but I'm already impressed with this place. Today I'm making use of a Hungry Hope promotion. It is for the Khao Lang dinner set. It is a 9-course menu and it's 3,090 Thai baht, plus it includes 1 complimentary drink. This cocktail here is a 𝒉𝒂𝒔𝒕𝒓𝒐𝒏𝒂𝒏. So 𝒉𝒂𝒔𝒕𝒓𝒂𝒏 is a lantern which they used in Lanna to send up into the sky. And this cocktail contains 𝑑𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈, which also comes from the north. It's like a white spirit, and whoa, 40% alcohol. That's gonna kick. I'm having a look at the 9-course menu here, and everything from the 𝒉𝒊𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈 right down to the petite fours sounds really amazing. I cannot wait for the first course. This first course is a 𝒉ហុងសុន 𝒉𝒊𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈. It is minced pork wrapped in deep fried flour with garlic mayonnaise, Lanna baked eggs, and with red chili paste and caviar. This looks like a little gift. Oh, it's so beautiful. I almost don't want to eat it. The second course is a 𝑛𝒉𝒂𝒔𝒕𝒓𝒂𝒏𝒄 chai narai salad. It's quite a mouthful, and it is vegetable chili pasta foam with salted cured hamachi fish, mustard greens with northern pepper oil. This is the third course. This is a Chiang Mai soup. It is a Ceylon spinach consommé and pa pan black chicken with kaffir lime jelly. I'm having an absolute ball. The food here is incredible. It is truly a beautiful culinary experience. Everything is amazing and looks beautiful. The restaurant and the food here is, for lack of a better word, fancy. So don't be pretentious. If you do not know how to eat something, ask them. They are always willing to help you and to give you advice on how to get the most out of your meal. On their website, they claim that they are bringing back dishes from the north which have been lost over time. That's a very bold claim, but I do think that North is up to the task. They source the essential ingredients from the north of Thailand, and their chefs are also native to Chiang Rai, which is the northernmost province of Thailand, which was the epicenter of the Lanna civilization. This is the fourth course. This is lampoon pasta dish. It is ravioli filled with Wagyu beef and in a nam nyang and lampoon black garlic sauce. Ooh, thank you.
This 1 hour refreshing.
Course 5 is a 𝒆𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒏𝒕 sorbet. It is a makiang sorbet with northern rice crumble and sugar glazed rose. This restaurant is located in 𝑫𝒂𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈 Soi 33. They do have parking available if you come here with your own car. If you want to take the SkyTrain, then the nearest SkyTrain station would be the Phrom Phong station, and the nearest subway station should be the 𝑠𝒂𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈 station. Course number 6 is a pa yao freshwater catch. It is baked giant river prawns with Lanna herbs 𝑭𝒊𝒏𝒆 and chili with crisp and herb caviar. This course is served with a breadstick. This is the main course, the 7th course, and again, everything looks stunning. This is the Lampang Kantok dinner. It is aromatic hung lei curry with beef, jackfruit curry with salted fish, sea bass 𝑛𝒉𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈, northern spicy sausage and pork crackling, vegetables, sticky rice and steamed rice. I was told that if I would like to order something extra from here, I can do that. So I can already see that beef over there looks really amazing. I can see myself ordering more of that. This beef is absolutely out of this world. Even in an upmarket environment like this, we eat the traditional way. We eat with a spoon and a fork in Thailand. However, if you do want a knife, I'm sure they have knives here. I should tell you that they do have a very strict dress code here. Actually, I want to read the SMS which they sent me before I came here today. They say Northern restaurant policy dress code is smart casual, sleeveless, all shorts including jean shorts, sportswear, slippers, beach sandals and flip-flops are not permitted. Children in the dining restaurant must be at least 12 years of age. In addition, photography is permitted with the exception of selected areas. The use of drones, tripods, extensions and external flash units are not allowed. But of course, I did get permission to film here today. The 8th course is naan dessert. It is a North sticky rice topped with dried 1P fruit, 𝑛𝒉𝒂𝒔𝒕𝒓𝒂𝒏𝒄 mango mousse and sticky rice coconut milk mocktail. I am about to enjoy my 9th and final course. This is the Lanna Gastronomy. It is a rice cake with black sesame filling, baked rice, 𝒂𝒏𝒄𝒊𝒏𝒈 glutinous rice cake and chocolate. Oh wow, it smells good. And you can actually buy this tea right here in the restaurant. If you look at the Hungry Hub application, you will see that they also have lunchtime promotions at this restaurant starting at 1,990 Thai baht, and that is for a 6-course menu for 2 people. And that is it for me. The food was really amazing here. This is a truly fantastic culinary experience. Food was amazing, the presentation is fantastic, the staff here is great, I love the service. Very good place, highly recommend it.